Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials every week. And this week I wanted to do something a bit different, something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and this is my first video filming a haul, so please be kind. I know you are always kind, but yeah, I'm a bit nervous. So this is a haul, a small haul, and this is the first time me doing this, but I do love them. I love watching those types of videos. So this is not sponsored in any way by any of these brands. It's just the brands that I've bought in a recent online order. So yes, I'm gonna jump right in. So let me know in the comments if you like those types of videos, because I could make more. So I just thought I would experiment, and I do love talking yarn, talking projects. So I will be also letting you know which projects I am currently making, and probably the coming projects, the ideas that I have with these yarns. And let me know also in the comments if you have any ideas on how to use these yarns, because I love hearing from you. So the first yarn that I ordered is this one, which is Sirdar #1 Stonewashed Aran. So it's no secret that I love Sirdar #1. I have used this yarn in the DK version, so I will be linking in the description box any of the projects that I've made with Sirdar #1. It's really soft. It's 50% acrylic, 50% nylon, and it's just really soft. And this is my first time testing the Stonewashed Aran, and it comes in 100-gram balls. And yeah, it's really nice. It's so soft. I absolutely adore it. And it recommends a 5mm crochet hook for this project. So I was thinking, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skeins of this, and I was thinking of creating a cardigan or maybe a light sweatshirt for this coming spring. I am already thinking of spring at the moment. Let me know if you are already thinking of spring. I feel like I'm past all the winter projects. Even though I love autumn winter for crochet, I do find that in February, March, I do transition my mind into more spring type projects. So this is what I have. So I was thinking, like I said, maybe a sweater. I'm not sure. So let me know what you would make, and if you've ever tested this. This is a Stonewashed like kind of pattern, I don't know, shade, if you would call it like that. So I really love the look of this. I might order more because I think they were on sale on the website Lovecraftscom. So again, this isn't sponsored in any way, shape or form. It's just where I would maybe sometimes buy my yarn. So this is the first yarn that I bought on that website. Then I ordered Burt Softy Baby. I absolutely love this yarn. It's 100% acrylic, and it's considered a light 3 yarn, and it's in shade lemon, which I adore. And it comes in a 140-gram ball of yarn, and that's 362 yards. So this is a really soft yarn, and I was thinking of making a baby blanket with this yarn. I love all types of weight yarn, meaning I love fine yarns, I love medium yarns, and I love chunky yarns, but I do have a special place in my heart for the finer yarns. I just think that they give off such a delicate, soft vibe. But anyway, I was thinking of creating a baby blanket. I already have a pattern. I crocheted a baby blanket for my cousin a few weeks ago, and I didn't have time to film a tutorial or or anything, but I have written down the pattern, and I am thinking of recreating a blanket for the purpose of a tutorial, and also probably a baby gift. So this is Burt Softy Baby, and I'm really excited to use this. I also bought multiple skeins of Paintbox Simply Chunky yarns. I bought this shade, I think it's, I can't remember exactly what shade it is. It's shade 345. I will be listing all those yarns in the down bar, so not to worry. Yeah, and this is a Simply Chunky version. I love Paintbox yarns. I think their colours are so beautiful. I love how they crochet up so fast and quickly, and I love the feel of those of the yarn, the Simply Chunky. And these comes in 100-gram balls, and they are 100% acrylic. They're very soft, and they recommend a 6mm crochet hook, which is probably the size hook I would use anyway for this project. I bought a few skeins of duck egg in Simply Chunky, and also champagne white, and those are the colors that I used for my beautiful flower cardigan that I released not so long ago, so I will be linking that up here and in the down bar. And those are the colors that I used, and I had ordered a few more skeins just in case that I needed them for the project, and I have those skeins left. However, I think that it's beautiful, and you can never go wrong with those types of colors, so that yarn will be used. I also bought, and this is going to be the final yarn that I'm going to show you. I did start crocheting with it yesterday, which is why I've started a shawl, and I'm thinking of making a beautiful delicate shawl with a beautiful frilly edging. That's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. I do love working on a shawl from time to time. I just think it's so relaxing, and sometimes it's just nice to have a bit of a mindless project where you're not thinking about sizing and all of that complicated stuff. So yesterday I decided to start making a shawl. I wanted something colourful, so I used this skein of yarn, which is Mandala Baby. So I love, by Lion Brand Yarns, I love the Mandala collection by Lion Brand Yarns. So I have used the classic mandala colorways so many times, and I thought I would try out the Mandala Baby because I just love these colors. And these colors are actually very similar to the Sirdar patter cakes, I believe they're called in the UK. And the colorway is very similar, and the cakes are very similar. So if you can't find the Mandala Baby, just check out Sirdar Patter Cakes. And this is a really, really soft, beautiful, variegated yarn. I love the colours. I will be ordering another skein of this yarn because I just think it's so beautiful, and I will probably be needing 2 skeins for my project. And it's super, super soft. It comes in 150-gram cake skein, and it's 590 yards, which is a lot. So I love the fact that this is a large quantity of beautiful yarn for a very reasonable price, because I think that those the Mandala Baby is probably about £7 UK pounds, and it's probably about $7 or $8 for America. So I do think it's a very, very good price for what you get. It's such a soft yarn. It's 100% acrylic, and it's a light 3 yarn, and it recommends a 5mm crochet hook for this yarn. It's really fine. As I said, I love light 3 yarns. I think they're so beautiful. I love all yarns. Usually I would buy maybe different different types of yarns, meaning I would buy cotton, I would maybe buy a bit of wool and so on. But because we're coming up to spring, I have to say that most of the yarns I've bought didn't contain any wool, because I just find that then you just kind of, yeah, you don't use them up from February, March. Let me know what you think, but I know that woolly yarns usually go on the back burner until the next, like, autumn. So yeah, I usually tend to go with more cotton, acrylic yarns when it comes to spring. So yes, so I hope you enjoyed this small haul. Like I said, this is the first time I've created one of those videos. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, if you want me to create more types of videos like this. I think they're really fun. I really enjoy them on other people's channels. And this was a very basic haul because, like I said, I've been so busy recently, I've not even had time to buy yarn. So I will be placing more orders very soon on different websites. Yeah, and I will be hoping to create hauls for those. So let me know if you love these yarns as much as me. Let me know if you have any ideas on what to make with these different yarns. And in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.